Hey, is this Destiny? Like, the real Zora Destiny? Hey, I know you from Blog TV. What's up? You want to do a collab? Okay. What do you want me to do in the collab? Wear tiger glasses? From sub, baby. What else do you want me to do? No, Destiny, I will not stick that up there. That's inappropriate. And no, I will not make you a smoothie. Unless I get shown, I love smoothies. You want everyone to sub to you? Okay. Hey everyone, you guys should subscribe to The Real Zora on YouTube. What else you want? No, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna stick that in there, and I'm not gonna rub that either. It's inappropriate.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, I'll talk to you later. Thanks for coming, Destiny. And I hope this collab goes well. Bye.
Feels